What is up, guys? Logan here from Royal Pools G2 Landscaping. Today, I'm at a beautiful in-ground freeform vinyl liner pool here in Cherville, Indiana. Now, vinyl liner pools are one of the oldest and most popular type of in-ground pool on the market. And today, many homeowners are attracted to freeform pools on account of their ability to replicate actual bodies of water, providing homeowners with the outdoor backyard oasis look that so many desire. Here's the thing, guys, no pool is perfect. Any longtime pool owner can tell you that. Now, if you're thinking about purchasing a freeform vinyl liner pool, that's a great idea. But as with any major purchase, you should know the pros and cons before committing. And that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video, go over the pros and cons of freeform vinyl liner swimming pools. Knowing the pros and cons will help you determine if one of these pools is right for your backyard, swimming needs, budget, and more. Let's dive in. Easily the biggest draw of a vinyl liner pool is the ability to customize it. Now, not only are there hundreds of vinyl liner pool patterns to choose from, you can also choose just about any shape for your pool as long as you find a reputable builder capable of bringing your vision to life. When it comes to the upfront cost of an in-ground pool, you cannot beat vinyl liners. Here in Northwest Indiana, typically liner pools fall anywhere between $60,000 and $100,000. Like we said, guys, your options for liner patterns are almost endless, which is why it may be hard to find a pattern that will complement your yard the way you want. Now, it is recommended that vinyl liners be replaced every 7 to 10 years, meaning that if you don't love your pattern and how it looks in your yard, you can always purchase a new one. You can replace your vinyl liner before the recommended time frame. Just know that it will add to the lifetime ownership cost. It shouldn't come as a surprise that for many in-ground pool prospects, comfort is the #1 most important factor. Luckily, vinyl liner pools feature smooth, non-porous surfaces that are both algae resistant and incredibly comfortable to walk on. This is where pool maintenance comes into play. Now, as previously stated, vinyl liners need to be replaced every 7 to 10 years due to reasons such as general wear and tear, overexposure to sunlight, discoloration and fading due to imbalanced water chemistry, and more. One thing you may sacrifice with a freeform pool is swim space. Now, while still available, of course, freeform pools do not necessarily provide the same amount of swim space that, say, rectangular pools do. However, if you get a large freeform vinyl liner pool, you probably won't notice this one as much. While they do feature non-porous surfaces, vinyl liner pools still require chemical balancing. Neglecting your water chemistry can lead to things like liner wrinkles, algae growth, cloudy water, and even possibly liner fading. What you gain with savings and comfort with a vinyl liner pool, you unfortunately lose with durability. Vinyl liners are the least durable of the 3 main in-ground pool types. They can easily be torn or punctured, which can lead to water loss if left unchecked. Naturally, the larger and more extravagant your freeform pool design is, the more expensive it will be. Additionally, liner replacements also significantly add to the overall lifetime ownership cost. And there you have it, folks. The pros and cons of freeform vinyl liner pools. Royal Pools G2 Landscaping has installed fiberglass and vinyl liner swimming pools throughout Northwest Indiana and South Chicagoland for over 26 years now. We have installed, maintained, and replaced dozens of vinyl liners throughout the years, including many freeforms. We hope this video helped you determine whether or not one of these bad boys would be right for your backyard. For more information on vinyl liner pools, you can check out the articles in the link below or take a look at these videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.